about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world.
So we've been on the road for a little bit. I just decided to try and wake up for a while before I start this morning's video. But we're on our way to the Kennedy Space Station. Russ is excited.
Space Station?
Well, Space Museum.
That would be even better.
Yeah, Kennedy, that would be cool. But it's a rainy day. I know there's some space shuttles and stuff that they have like sitting outside and stuff, but I'm excited to see this stuff because, you know, this is his interest and I love to support him. So,
Aww. So you don't want to see it because of you at all?
No, I'm interested too.
Okay.
Well, I'm excited because I remember going to the one in Texas when I was a little kid, and that one was awesome.
Gator! Just kidding.
Definitely not launching anything today. It's a drawbridge.
Hold my beer, let's ramp it.
Oh my God. Is that a shuttle, honey?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Big ol' red tube sticking in the air. Orangish tube.
There it is.
I think that's where they're actually developing the new Glen.
Yep.
Don't.
You guys, I keep...
No, stop.
Yeah, I keep turning on the camera when he's doing like exciting stuff, like he's super excited. Like he's taking stuff out of his pockets to make sure he's got everything. But then I turn on the camera and he's like, no, I'm cool.
And you know what sucks is I don't have a camera.
I'll take anything you want, honey. He's so excited. That was a close call. Oh my gosh. So we almost couldn't like get in for some reason. One kiosk said that they were full. There's no more openings yet. Then the other one said that there were open. I don't know.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go to first now that we're de-stressed? Wow. And he is in La La Land. He is like, he's in his own world. FYI, if you take this guy anywhere that has reading material, he'll read everything there. He likes to learn. Is this the one that went in space?
Yeah, this is the actual
The actual one. Look at his face. He's so happy.
Yeah, you gotta get my picture by this.
Yeah, I will. Well, the anticipation was real in that. And we got 2 shows.
I was at first I was like, oh, it's another one of these, and then it was like, oh, okay, now we get to go. Oh, it's another theater, and then that video started. Then I was starting to get a little worried that it was like in some other building where we don't actually get to see the real thing or anything. And then the screen went clear, and it was like.
Yeah, he said he was just about in tears when he saw.
Hey, don't.
He saw it. No, it's okay.
I was not. I'm a man.
He's a man. He's a man. When you're just so totally into it, and you're like in the moment, you're like, I can't wait, and then it happens, you're like, yeah. He has a problem.
No, I don't. I only have a few things. $100 worth of things.
I only got one. Well, that's for me. The rest of it's for
other people.
Other people. Yeah, he doesn't wear purple, you guys. Okay, so I'm starting outside with this one. We just got to our hotel. This one's awesome.
Front desk lady was amazing here.
She was so nice. Her name is Liz. She was very peppy, very happy. We liked her. But look at this view, you guys. First of all, we got a palm tree right in front of our room. Got a fountain, super nice. And right out there is the ocean. We can literally walk across that parking lot right there and go to the ocean. Oh, we're so gonna go on the beach tonight. We're so gonna go on the beach. And look at our room. Big, huge window, okay, right? And this is a very old-fashioned place. Like, the bed is super clean, awesome. And Russ is already digging the pictures, I think, because it's golf.
Oh, yeah.
But, oh my gosh.
Everything is modernized.
It's modernized, it's updated, yeah. Oh my gosh.
I gotta go move the car. I will be back.
Okay. Russ is super happy today because he got to go to his space museum, and I haven't seen him this happy in a long time. Well, I mean, he's been happy, of course, but yeah, he's good. It's a good day. Well, it's bright and early this morning. Hello, guys. We are gonna head down to the beach today and see what it looks like, because it looks beautiful down there. And we already walked down there last night at night.
Yeah. Oh, and last night, so evidently cops trying to catch somebody last night or something like that or whatever, but there was like 5 cop cars like 400 yards that way.
That one.
Anyways, down the road from our hotel, and obviously they didn't find the guy or something, but all of a sudden last night when we were walking, this helicopter comes and is just spotlighting the waves.
And they're
It looked so cool.
Yeah, they were spotlighting just the waves out there. Yeah, it just went right over us. It was pretty cool.
It was. And then here comes the Russ imagination part of the story. And then this guy jumps out of the water.
You guys, there's people down here, but not very many. It's beautiful and it's warm. I could live here. This is so nice. Oh, I mean, look at that. And then look at that. There's people right there, but oh, Russ is already out there. Look at him. Uh-oh. Dangerous, Mom. I hope he falls in. Wow. Hi. Holy cow. Didn't see you guys here before. So this inn that we stayed at is by far one of our favorites, I think.
Service by far was the best.
Oh, service, the room was cool. The fact that it's right off the beach is awesome. So we made it to West Palm Beach. We're here to have some lunch on our way to Miami. It's rockin' crab, Cajun seafood. Cause I need some crawfish. I've never had it before and I try it.
Watch, it's out of season.
No, don't jinx it.
Sweet.
Oh, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
This is awesome.
Oh yeah.
We don't get
Never
this at
had
home.
crawfish.
I've never had crawfish.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, here you go.
Wow. Why is it cooked in a bag?
To lock in all that flavor.
Oh my gosh.
She'll eat that, that's fine.
Oh heck yeah. Ooh. Oh, that looks good. Awesome. So
You gotta name them before you eat them.
do you eat, obviously don't eat this part or
Generally, you go for the tail section.
just the tail?
Yeah.
Cool.
Some people suck out the heads. I don't know if you're that adventurous.
I'll try it. It's a hot day, but we're on our way to our boat. They're gonna take us there. This isn't the boat, but we're walking to the lady who's gonna take us there. Holy cow, Russ. Wow. Oh my
That's a
god.
lot of money right there.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on the boat. And it's so super cool. It's very simple stuff. It's not, I mean,
So I thought it was a 60-foot boat. Obviously, I was wrong. I'm not worried about it because honestly, I would have paid for a 16-foot boat if we could had a place inside to get away from the waves. But
this is
we're
gonna be
out
fun.
on a cove in the middle of, look at Miami. Look at right behind. And that's not even the main part of downtown.
No, that is
Miami.
not
That's
even
like
the main
a
part.
small part of this area.
And there's our kayaks that we get to use. There's like a little sandbar over there that we can walk on.
And there's a boat that sank over here.
Oh
We're
yeah.
gonna find some pirate treasure.
Yeah, oh my gosh. But I think from here on out today, I'm not gonna vlog for the rest of the day, but I'm just gonna end the night because we're gonna enjoy this boat and kayak and go eat dinner and just do a bunch of stuff and enjoy ourselves. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All the way on the top, because she's next to the vantage point. She
Yeah,
keeping an eye on things.
Yeah.
she's looking out.
Yeah.
Good girl, Dolly.
Oh my gosh,
she's laying down now. I know.
Oh my gosh, everybody. This view from this boat at night is absolutely amazing. That's just this area, Biscayne Bay area, but main Miami is over this way. But just the sound of the water and kind of just the glow from the city is so amazing. Look at all these boats out here too. Bunches of them. This is awesome.